Hello and welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the loops section. This is repeating tasks manually. Before we write our own loops, let's take a moment to develop an appreciation for loops. The best way to do that is by showing you how cumbersome it would be if a repeated task required you to type out the same code every single time. Instructions. 1. Create the variable vacation spots and assign its value to an array of 3 strings, naming places you'd like to visit. So if I zoom out here, we can do that here, and let's create that variable vacation spots and run that. We did a pass. 2. Next, console log each item in vacation spots. Since we don't know loops yet, we have to console log each element in the array separately. Let's do that here. Run that. We did pass. So nice work. Now imagine that the vacation list had 100 places on it. Logging each array element to the console by hand would be a tedious task. In the next exercise, we will learn how to make things more efficient with for loops. So the important thing that we're getting from here is if we had a long list, we would have to console log each item in our list individually. And that could take long the longer our list is. In the next lessons, we'll see how we can do this more efficiently through the use of loops. If you're getting that, you guys got this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.